Hey everybody, this is James with wstrades.com. I want to provide an update here on a few trending tickers. One is IXHL in Canex Healthcare. Just been trading for a day. Things started around $10, made an insane move here up to 96.07, and then in aftermarket trading yesterday, made another crazy explosion to $85. So I threw up the fib levels here, and it dipped just below the 61.8% retracement here, and then started to rally. So I threw up a trend line there, as it kind of shows you have a low here around 10, and then a low here around 32. So I definitely keep an eye on this uptrend line. If selling comes in at market open today and this thing starts to sell off and goes below or breaks below and closes below this uptrend line, I think that would be a good short entry. And then to the upside here, the top of this rip to 85, I also believe that is key. You know, if buyers continue to ram this thing up here at market open and it goes up and tests this 85 level, I'm going to be curious to see what happens there. If it goes up, touches that level and starts to sell off, that could be, you know, a good sign that this thing is going to retrace back down to this trend line. If not, if it can actually break through this 85 level and close above it, you know, I think that's going to be a sign that this thing is going to continue to rip. You can see the bid ask here puts this thing around $55 right now. So we'll kind of see what happens here and see if this uptrend line holds here or if this 85 level up here holds. If it does sell through this uptrend line, I think it's definitely going to come down and do a test of that 32. And then we'll kind of see if it breaks through that 32 as well. Again, you know, I would expect this thing to continue to retrace and die off. So we'll kind of see what happens there. Another ticker I saw was trending was Cassava Sciences. I'm going to go out to the weekly time frame here because this one's been trading a lot longer. And it seems to have broke a key level here around 40 on the weekly. So looks like last week, or well, actually 2 weeks ago, it broke through that 40 level and closed below it and has continued to move lower. So it's pretty much been in a downtrend, making lower lows, lower highs, except for this crazy fake out situation here the weeks of November 1st and November 8th, but definitely trending lower outside of this crazy pump and fake out situation right here. And I think it's probably going to go down. Let me zoom in a bit here. It's probably going to go down and test around 32, 31.50, somewhere in there. It's really close to it right now. So I think if it does not hold around that 31.50 level or 31.75 level, somewhere in there, I think it's going to come down all the way to about $20 and test this $20 level. So I think it's definitely at a very key point right now. Let's see if that, you know, 31.50 level or so can hold. If not, I see that as a good short entry. And to the upside, you can see the 21-day EMA is a dynamic resistance. The last time it tried to blast through this, it got stomped hard. So buyers were able to pump it all the way to about 63. Selling pressure came in and left a wick sticking out starting right at that 21-day exponential moving average. So to the upside, you know, buyers need to get back into this thing and break this thing above the 21-day EMA for sure. But I'll continue to keep you guys updated here on different tickers in the market and also new trades I get into, close out of, and any trading updates. Please like this video. Please also subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed. Hit that notification bell. Appreciate you guys for taking the time to watch this. Talk to you soon.